McCloskey Service and Repair. What? Known for paying top dollar for trade-ins in the state, now purchases vehicles directly from the public, even if they still owe money on their vehicle.
That's right. If you're looking for services or an upgrade when it comes to your vehicle, our Krista Widiak has more on how you can do it.
Hi, Krista.
That's right, guys. From one service bay to another, there's no no shortage of services they can't offer here at McCloskey Motors. Now, I'm back with Joe. We've also got Matt and a new special guest I'll be introducing in here just a little bit. But we've got, so you want to tell me a little bit more about how McCloskey is helping with repairing, with detailing, with selling you a quality car.
Well, yeah, absolutely, Krista. You know, McCloskey is known for selling good quality vehicles, where we service the vehicles, detail them, repair them, and that type of thing.
Yeah.
But also, we service and repair to the public as well. So even if you didn't buy your vehicle from us, we will service and repair the vehicle. You could get that same quality, award-winning service here at McCloskey Motors by our technicians that have the equivalent of a PhD in automotive service. Our McCloskey repair shops also offer an exclusive offer, and that is that we do custom exhaust work as well. These days, that's a pretty limited feature, so we do exhaust fabrication, exhaust repair, and so we do, as Matt had talked about, all the services, whatever basically you need on your vehicle, from front bumper to back bumper, we definitely cover.
I know, and I understand why you got all those awards now here, Joe.
Well, our team did.
Yeah, exactly. But Matt, tell me a little bit more about these offers you guys have.
So right now, if you mention Fox 21 News, we're doing a free road trip safety inspection. It's a $150 value. We're going to check your brakes, your belts, your hoses, your tires, your fluids, your battery, make sure that you're safe to drive with the weather changing in the upcoming season. We want everybody to be safe out there.
You just said that was free.
Free.
Like absolutely free?
Wait a minute.
Free?
That's a $150 value.
Yes, Joe.
We're not. All right, I'll tell you what, we'll do that, but they have got to say that they heard it on Fox 21.
I was going to say, live TV, Joe, you can't mess up now.
No, I can't believe you just said that it's free. Oh my gosh, on live TV, he does
Free.
that, right?
$150 value. Say Fox 21, you get a road trip
Fox
special
21.
inspection.
Mention Fox 21.
Awesome. Okay, so that's just one great thing you guys have here. What's the other offers?
The other one we're doing is we're doing half-price cabin filter replacements. A cabin air filter is a filter that filtrates your heater and AC system. So it gets all the pollens and the debris and stuff out of the air. So this is the air you're breathing inside of the cab of the vehicle, and we want to change this for you.
That doesn't look cute.
No, it's kind of gross, and you breathe this air. You actually, we want to change this.
So you know when you start up your car on especially this time of year, and your air conditioning has been on, you turn on your air conditioning, and it smells like a dirty gym sock.
Oh no!
So if it smells, hey, there you go. Try that.
Yeah, right.
So if it smells like a dirty gym sock, you need a new cabin air filter, and we have a special that's half price.
Half price.
That's right.
Half price.
So
Got to mention Fox 21.
yeah. In addition to that, we also have service fleet accounts. So we're open, obviously, to individual customers, but in addition to that, if some fleet or businesses own 2 or more vehicles, up to 100 vehicles, we'll repair those vehicles, we'll service the vehicles, and we even have a special fleet concierge that will take care of them. Wow. So all they have to do is go to bigjoeservice.com or call our phone number 719-685-7010, and we'll take care of them on their fleet accounts. So in addition to that, Matt, I think we have a few other offers regarding the factory maintenance.
Right now, we do factory maintenance on all makes, all model vehicles. It's a great opportunity for you to save a little bit of money and make sure your vehicle's ready for the summer. Come and see us. Come and see us.
Come and see us.
They save our fleet, our factory maintenance will save their customers at least 30% off of the factory franchise dealers, and it still will maintain their factory warranty and for their vehicles. So it doesn't matter whether it's Acura to Volkswagen, we cover it all, and we do those factory maintenances here, and we could do that because we have a lower overhead. We're a family-run dealership, and we run a pretty tight ship as well. And this is David King. He's the manager of this of our facility. And David, you want to tell them about real quick?
Really quick, David. You only got like 15 seconds.
All right.
Tell me real quick.
So this is our new facility, McCloskey Car and Truck Repair. It's right next door to the dealership. We handle everything. We do custom exhaust work, which is not a lot of shops do that.
Wow.
Repair anything that is needed, catalytic converters, mufflers, piping. We handle all of that along with pretty much every other thing at this facility.
David, thank you for being our eye candy here today for this segment. Joe, Matt, as always, it's a pleasure. It's been great meeting you, great learning all about McCloskey Motors and what you guys offer here, and hopefully you guys listen to them. Mention Fox 21, get your inspection in, and make sure you get one of your quality vehicles if you're looking for one right here at McCloskey Motors.
That group is trouble.
Absolutely.
That group's trouble, and I like them.
I know.
Thanks, Krista. This segment is sponsored by McCloskey Motors.